Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use data validation in Excel to allow only decimal numbers in a cells or a range. So let's start. We want to make sure that in the weight column, user can only enter the decimal values like the 1.5, 0.20, 2.5 and etc. So let's start to apply the data validation. Simply select the range of cell and go to the data tab, and in data tools click on the data validation option, and here you can see one dialog box is open, data validation. In settings tab, in validation criteria in allows, just click on the drop down arrow and select the decimal, and here in minimum amount just I enter 0.1. Okay, and maximum you can enter here anything, so I just enter the 100. Okay, so just click on the OK, and that's now only the decimal numbers between the 0.1 and 100 are allowed. Suppose I enter here 0.44, it's allowed. Okay, 0.89, it's allowed. Okay, 0.89, it's allowed. Okay, 2045 also allow because I said their maximum amount is 100. Okay, if you enter 1 to 112 and press the enter key, see the error showing. Okay, so Microsoft Excel, this value doesn't match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. Okay, so the maximum amount I set the 100, so up to 100 numbers you can mention here. Okay, if you want to change this error message, you can change here the error message also. Again, I show to change the error message. Simply select the range of cell. Again, go to the data tab. In data validation, just click on the data validation, and here you can see the third tab is error alert. Okay, simply click on the error alert, and you can enter here the title of error. So I just enter error. Okay, and I just enter here the error message. Okay, so I just enter here. We accept only up to 100 kg. Okay, we accept only up to 100 kg. Okay, just click on OK, and that's it. Now, if you enter here that 123 and press the enter key, see the error message changed. Now error is a title showing, and we accept only up to the 100 kg. Okay, so this is a way you can change the message error also. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.